Welcome back. Time now for a look at some of the major stories from around the world.
Iran has intensified attacks on oil and gas facilities across the Gulf in retaliation for an Israeli strike, sending global fuel prices soaring. The moves also raise fears of a wider regional conflict, with the strategic Strait of Hormuz already under pressure. Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu says at the request of US President Donald Trump, Israel will hold off on further strikes. Since February 28, US and Israeli attacks have targeted Iran's leadership and military, with Netanyahu claiming Iran could no longer enrich uranium or produce ballistic missiles. And the UK government has agreed a deal with Nigeria to make it easier to remove people with no right to be in the country. For the first time, the Nigerian government will recognize UK letters, an identification document issued to individuals without a valid passport, so people will no longer have to wait for emergency travel documents before they can be returned. The agreement was struck during President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's state visit to the UK. Prime Minister Sir Keir Starmer hailed the president's visit, the first by a leader of a West African nation in 37 years, as historic. And those were some of the major stories from around the world. I'm Hal Shaneberg.
You think that's you?
Is it?
It is.
Is it really?
It is.
Okay, the Primetime News package continues with sports right after this break.